I just paid off $70 worth of debt by simply couponing at Walgreens using digital coupons. There's so many easy deals that you can do on all of your family essentials. So stop paying full price and stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to break down step by step exactly how to do it, how to do your transactions, what to do to use the store rewards and store money to keep more of your paycheck in your pocket. The less you're spending out of pocket, the more money you have to be able to put towards your debt. So in this video, all you need is your phone, a Walgreens app, and the Walgreens account so you can clip these simple digital coupons. So if you are on a debt payoff journey and you want to be able to pay off your debt without changing your lifestyle and incorporating some simple digital coupons, you should definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. For all of the printable breakdowns of all the deals that I'm doing, step by step, the transactions, how to do it, the whole 9 yards, that'll be linked below for you guys in the description box. You get all the printable breakdowns for this entire week, 5 different stores, to make sure that you're definitely getting a deal and stocking up on all of the brands and products that you actually need. There is a rebate app that we're gonna be using today to earn some cash back called Ibotta. If you're new to Ibotta, I'll put my code. It's linked below for you as well in the description box. When you get signed up and submit your first receipt, you'll get a $5 bonus on top of the cash back, making the deals today for you even better. So let's head inside and take advantage of some amazing deals. We're starting off with a almost $3 moneymaker. This is kind of an experiment, so at the end I'll let you know how it winds up working out. So CoverGirl is buy one, get one 50% off. What we're gonna do is grab one of the Perfect Point. I actually use the brown one personally anytime I use eyeliner. They're $8.29. This will be the half off one. Next, we're gonna grab one of these CoverGirl Classic blushes. These will be full price at $9.29. I have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. We also have a $4.90 rebate via PayPal. So this is the first time using it. What I know from the research I've done is that you have to have your PayPal email address has to match your Walgreens email address. If it does not match, add whatever email you use for your Walgreens account to your PayPal account, and then that should go over. I don't know how long it takes. This is the first time I'm doing it, so I'll have to let you guys know. We're also going to submit to Ibotta. We're going to get $3 cash back on the eye product. Then we're going to get $3 cash back on the face product. So that's going to make them both free and a $2.45 moneymaker if everything goes well. Next that we're grabbing is on the Axe body wash. These are buy one, get one half off. Some store locations are going to be $5.99. This one is a little bit more expensive at $6.29. So grabbing 2 will bring me to $9.43. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So that'll leave you to pay $4.43. Now we're going to be putting all of these deals in with the digital spend booster, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can roll your rewards to keep your out of pocket as low as possible. So stick with me. We are going to be using the booster for spend 45, get 10. So we need $45 worth of product value. Couple more deals we need to do to get to that. We are also grabbing both of the oral care deals, so we're going to grab Crest first. Now, if you did this deal on Sunday or Monday, it would have been free, but for me, the Ibotta rebate has expired. Definitely check your account, though, just in case it's still there. I'm going to grab 3 of these. They're $4 each. Buy 3 in store, get a $5 register reward, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So you'll pay $7, earn back the $5 register reward, makes it $2 for 3 tubes of toothpaste, or about 65 cents each. Again, we're putting this in with the digital booster, so it's gonna actually wind up being cheaper. So for the Colgate deal, these are $5 each or $6 each. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. I'm gonna grab the $5 ones of the Colgate total. There is a bonus that I have on my Fetch account. I just don't have enough service in the store to look it up. I'm pretty sure it was spend 17 on Colgate total products, get X back. I don't remember, but I will show you guys at the end when I get in the car. When I go over my receipts, I'm going to submit my receipt and show you guys where I'm at. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. We have 2 $2 off 1 digital coupons. So you'll pay $6, get back a $5 register reward, makes it $1 for 2 tubes of toothpaste or 50 cents each. We love that. The last deal we're grabbing is to get us over the $45 mark, so I only need like $1 or so in product value. Grab whatever you want. I personally use these storage bags for food and I absolutely love them, especially for the price. Are you kidding me? They're buy one, get 2 free. It makes them 93 cents each. Every, maybe twice a year, they'll have a sale where they're 88 cents each, which is the cheapest, but still 93 cents is way cheaper than the dollar store. I think they're a great quality, so we're gonna grab them. Let's go over our first transaction. So this is going to be using the booster for spend $45, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. You can find this along with the other digital coupons, and it does vary per account. So you may have it, you may have something different. Let me know in the comments what you have or if you have the same one. Total product value with all the sale prices is going to be $47.67. We only need $45 to get that booster, so I'm going to use $2 in Walgreens cash. That brings me down to $45.67. Still over $45, so we're good to go. Then we have $19 worth of digital coupons. I'll pay $26.67 out of pocket. Then I'm gonna get back a $5 register reward for the Crest, a $5 register reward for the Colgate, and $10 in Walgreens cash from that digital booster, plus $6 cash back from Ibotta, and $4.90 back from those PayPal rebates. So the $20 in rewards that we just got back, we're gonna roll in our second transaction so we can get some laundry products and some more personal care. So let's continue. You guys know all of this clearance caught my eye, especially when I'm seeing things 80% off. So definitely check this aisle, see if there's anything that you need. I'm gonna pick through it and see if there's anything that I could use. A lot of their summer items are starting to clearance out as well. So these are at 30% off right now. Anything with lemons, I'm so obsessed with ever since we went to the Amalfi Coast. Tell me that's not the cutest mug. For $6.99, I think that's a really good deal. So check this aisle too. They have some really cute little home decor that you can grab. Oh my God, more lemons. I don't even know what I would put in that, but I love it. Another pause for more clearance. These also caught my eye. Again, more summer products. These are 30% off as well. We're having a little summer cookout, so I think I'm actually gonna snag these and use them as plates and napkins and stuff for the cookout. How freaking cute is that? Now let's look at deals in our second transaction. We're gonna get some laundry products. So there's a deal on the Tide and Downy, or there's a deal on the Gain products. So what we're gonna do the Tide and Downy way because that gives you a higher value register reward. You're getting a 5 instead of a 4. If you want to do the Gain and stuff, the math is going to be pretty much the same, but you're getting a $4 register reward instead of a 5. So totally up to you. What I'm going to do is grab one of these scent boosters. There is a $1 off one digital coupon. Next, I'm grabbing one of these Downy Unstoppables with a $1 off one digital coupon. If you want to grab the Bounce, you can do that. All you're doing is mixing and matching and grabbing whatever 4 products you actually need. Next, I'm grabbing a small Tide liquid for $4.99 with a $1 digital coupon. And finally, a small Tide Pods with a separate $1 digital coupon. So these are the 4 that I'm grabbing. Total is $19.96. After the $4 in digitals come off at checkout, you'll pay $15.46. Get back a $5 register reward, makes it $10.96 for all 4 products or $2.74 a piece. Amazing deal. The next deal we're grabbing in this transaction is on the Venus and Gillette non-disposable razors. So the tag doesn't show it, but in the weekly ad, you can see they're on sale and they're buy 2, get a $6 register reward in store. So I'm gonna get the Fusion 5, this is what my husband uses, and we have a $3 off one digital coupon, so clip that. Next, we're grabbing a Venus. The cheapest one is the Comfort Glide here for $9.99, or you can grab the On The Go Mini, so cute. There is a $3 off one digital coupon, so clip that. For these 2 products, you're at $19.98, but with these $6 in digital coupons, you're only gonna pay $13.98 out of pocket. Get back the $6 register reward. Makes your final cost $7.98 for 2 of them, or $3.99 a piece. So let's put together this second transaction, and I'm gonna show you how we're lowering our out-of-pocket cost by using and rolling our rewards. Okay, let's go over our second transaction, which is going to be the Gillette and Venus and all of these laundry products. Retail value is going to be $39.94, but we have $10 in digital coupons, and we're going to use the $10 in register rewards we got from our first transaction. Plus, we're going to ask the cashier to use $10 in Walgreens cash that we also earned from that booster in our first transaction. That's going to lower our cost all the way down to $9.94 plus taxes. If you do have any other register rewards, you can definitely use that, but this is just based off of doing the deals that I'm showing you. So after that, you're going to earn back a $5 register reward for the laundry products and a $6 register reward for the Venus and Gillette. We have one more transaction we're going to do to again roll these rewards so we can grab some paper products, and then we'll go over our final cost. Even more clearance finds. There's a lot in the facial care aisle. Keep in mind, Christmas is going to creep up on us so fast. I actually have a free holiday savings challenge that I'm going to be running for you guys in September. So stay tuned. I'll give you guys more details. And if you're on my email list, you'll get the link to be able to join if you want to. Again, completely free, helping you guys save money for your holidays. So that way it'll cover all your gifts. So in the meantime, look at all of the clearance items. These could be stocking stuffers. Start putting it away and grabbing things little by little throughout the next couple months. That way, come Black Friday, you're not sitting there like, oh my God, I have to buy everything. And then you're paying full price or getting, you know, some things on sale. But like these here, these EOS, so cute. Love the colors. Yes, it's for summer, but who cares? This one here, the classic, 4 of them, $2.79. Definitely gonna be picking that up. Our last deal we're gonna grab is on the Bounty and Puffs. They are buy 2, get back a $3 register reward, and they're on sale for $5.49. I'm gonna grab one of the Bounty and clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. Then I'm gonna grab one of these 4-count Charmin here that's included, and we have a separate $1 off 1 digital coupon. Here is our final transaction. I'm gonna grab the EOS that was on clearance. That way it gets me to the correct amount to be able to use both register rewards from our first transaction. So total for all of this is $13.77. We had $2 in digital coupons, brings us to $11.77. Then we had the $5 and $6 register rewards from our second transaction that we're gonna also use. Now we're paying 77 cents out of pocket, and we'll still get back the $3 register reward for this. So let's go check out. I'll let you guys know how everything goes. Then we will submit our receipts as well to Ibotta, get all of our cash back, talk about our totals, and of course, transfer the savings to our debt. Here's a quick tip before you guys check out. Hopefully you made it to this part of the video. If you're still here, then you deserve to hear this tip. Make sure you ask at checkout, hey, is your register reward machine on and is it printing? This one was not on and it wasn't printing because it was out of ink. So they tried to find ink, they couldn't. So my first transaction was already like halfway through by the time I remembered to ask that question. Luckily, our first transaction, we're earning back $10 in rewards. So they gave me $10 in Walgreens cash, and that is an increment that you can use, so it didn't affect my second transaction. So I earned $10 in Walgreens cash from the booster. They gave me $10 in Walgreens cash, so I used that as payment towards my second transaction. Then it still wasn't working. So for my second transaction, they gave me $11 back in Walgreens cash instead of $11 in register rewards. So of that, I was only able to use 10. So it did increase my cost by $1. If they're like, no, it's not working, or we don't have, you know, ink or register rewards or something like that, just leave. Like literally just leave your cart and say, no worries, like I'm not able to do all these deals then. It will absolutely ruin your out-of-pocket cost. And the whole point is to keep more of our money in our account so we can then transfer it to our debt as a micropayment. So let me show you guys my 3 transactions. I did mostly everything that I said. So my first transaction is the exact same. All the deals that I showed you guys. Here's all, oh, come on. Here's all of the digital coupons coming off. I didn't have any register rewards or anything to use. I used $2 in Walgreens cash, paid $28.45 out of pocket. Then I earned back the $10 in Walgreens cash from that booster. Plus, I submitted to Ibotta. The $2 rebate is still there. I'm so excited. They must have reset it or something. I had like 1 bar of service in the store, so I couldn't check. So yeah, I got back $8.05. That's amazing. I was only expecting to get back $6. So we love that. I'm also about to head inside and get a notebook because I have an any notebook rebate, and I only need 6 offers to get another $3 bonus on Ibotta. So that will further lower my out-of-pocket costs today. My second transaction is the same as what I showed you guys. I got the Gillette Venus Tide Downy. Here's all of the digital coupons coming off. Here's that $20 in Walgreens cash like I told you that I rolled, earning from my first transaction. Paid $12.74 plus taxes. Then they gave me back Walgreens cash in place of the register rewards that didn't print for my second transaction. And then I used that in my third transaction. So instead of grabbing that EOS, the lip balm, what I wound up doing, I was getting all of those clearance summer plates for our cookout that we're gonna be doing this weekend, which is so, oh, I'm so excited about that. So I was getting those anyway, so I just threw that in to get me over the mark that I needed. Again, I wasn't able to use $11 in rewards, only 10. So I wanted to lower my cost a little bit so I didn't have as much out of pocket. I rolled $10 in Walgreens cash, paid only $1.24 out of pocket on this one. And the register reward machine like finally started working and the ink went through and it was all hunky-dory. So the $3 register reward finally wound up printing for me. So I was good to go on that. So that was awesome. So now what we're gonna do is head home. I'm gonna show you how I track all this in my digital budget spreadsheet. Then we're gonna take the amount that we saved, use that immediately today, right now. We're gonna transfer that to our debt. I'm working on my student loans and I'm on track to be completely done with my student loans this year and be debt free with those. And I'm so excited. So make sure when you're done shopping, you get all your cash back, you have your savings, put it immediately to your debt payment as a micro payment. Don't wait, because that money will disappear to other random Amazon purchases, Starbucks, Dunkin', whatever, you name it. So let me show you my budget spreadsheet that I use. If you want to snag mine, you can. It's $8. It's linked below if you want to buy someone else's or spend a couple hours making your own, whatever works best for you. But you've got to make sure that you're tracking your spending so you know to the penny exactly how much money you saved, how much money to transfer over to your debt. So let's do it together. I promise you it'll take us 60 seconds. So we're back home from Walgreens. What I do is I immediately open up my budget spreadsheet. It's digital. If you want to grab mine, it is a Google Drive spreadsheet. So it's on Google Sheets. So you can use it on a phone, an Android, an iPhone, a Mac, a Windows computer, a tablet. It doesn't matter. Anybody can use it. So what we're going to do, we are on the July tab. We are going to do one line per transaction. Okay. So we're going to pick the store. I did wind up going back into the store and grabbing a notebook. It was $1.79 because I had another rebate and then I got a bonus from Ibotta. So I'll show you that in just a second. So what we're going to do is write in one line per receipt. I now have 4 receipts. I'm going to do 4 lines. Watch how it takes us 60 seconds to track our spending. So sale price, all of the sale prices, add them all together for your first transaction. The product total was $47.55. Out of pocket on my first transaction, how much did you swipe your card for at checkout, including taxes? $28.45, earned back $8.05 from Ibotta. Next transaction was $39.94. Paid out of pocket $12.74. And I got back $4.90 from the PayPal rebate. Third transaction was the Bounty Charmin, and then I added one of those plates, so it was $13.77. Out of pocket, $1.24. And I didn't get anything back on that one. And then my last transaction, I just grabbed a notebook. It was a Wexton notebook. It was $1.79, paid $1.79, earned back 15 cents plus my $3 bonus, so $3.15. So I made a little bit of money on this one, which is why I went ahead and did that. So now I still have $40 in my budget that I'm going to be using when I go to Walmart tomorrow to finalize out my month. In total, I've saved $383 using only my phone. So that is how much that I have been making in micro payments towards my debt. So the money that I saved today, a little over $70, that is what I'm making as a micro payment towards my debt. So that's how you're able to pay off your debt without changing your lifestyle. I got all the name brand products today. You saw that. We didn't get any non-name brand product or anything like that. We're not switching to the bargain brand. We are still getting all the products that our family needs. So if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.